welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is saying that on his live yesterday, he did not lie about anything. And he says that Majesty also spoke exactly what he was saying on his live. So he's saying that he's trending right now, and whether people want to talk about him positively or negatively, he is still trending and they're still talking about him. So you have to run on to his video now and listen to it. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget that there are membership, and there is also a store that's in the description box. You can go ahead and check it out. Have a wonderful day.
I am very sure Tariano Admiral Christie already said in his own live, to which I played on my live yesterday, him said, the only thing me would have said to him, Data, me can help you, and him stop right there. He stopped it right there, right? I'm not gonna play any of these people's videos on my page because I don't wish to give any of you any highlight. Imagine the disabled boy, me, is trending and on a affy talk about me. You have to talk about me, the disabled boy, whether it is in a negative or positive way. Either way, you're promoting me. So thank you. Thank you for the promotion. Absolutely. Right? Nothing I said on my live yesterday, I lied. Nothing. I am going to say categorically, Majesty come out and say, but him on live, he said he could help me, but he stopped it right there. So I don't understand why. I'm thinking of names to call these people. Bull, Buck, and Duppy is coming for me, making it seem like I told any lies. Nothing I said in my video was a lie. That would be your 200. What are you talking about? Nothing I said in my live was a lie. He said on his own live, absolutely, he said he could help me, but he stopped it there, which is okay. Darling, you can have that. You can have that. You can have that, right? Right? Have that. Have that. Whatever you said, okay, all right, take it and go on. Take it and go on. We both know what was the truth and what wasn't the truth. However, that's not why I'm on my live. People are now saying, oh, he only approached me about the strikes. Listen, I don't talk every conversation me and Majesty have with those Duppy and Conqueror. I don't speak everything, all the conversations I have with him. Come, you know, someone on a tour enough and plenty of wine up business. Imagine you people are trying to align yourself because on a one the people them views go take them royals, plankers, all of you go and support them. They need you. They need all of you. Respectfully, they need all of you. And I would encourage you guys to go and support them. Absolutely. However, I wasn't going to come on the live today. I really wasn't going to come on the live today. I really was not. But I see these people are really trying to do some kind of smear campaign to make me look like a liar. Yes, at a point, Majesty did say to me, I can take off the strike by joining, merging two pages together. Absolutely. He said that too. That was a whole different conversation to what I'm talking about. That was a whole different conversation to what I'm speaking about, what I spoke about yesterday. Sometimes people are too enough. Sometimes you people are too naff and want to come insert yourself into things that you have no business in. I see some of you saying, oh, lie, I'm tell him, say, him never did I look me. Him did I look me. He said it himself on his own live. He was looking me too. I'm going to give him no knowings. Why didn't I give him no knowings? Because he's not in my category. You could have money. You could have money coming out of your batty hole. You could have money coming out of your ear hole, your nose, or wherever you could have money coming out. If I don't deem you attractive enough, I don't want you. And he's not my type, sweetie pies. He is not my type. And yes, he said on his live, he said, him talking upon him live, say him did I look me. So what's someone to come running like say I never told no lies. I also said in one of my live, listen, he did it because he was being spiteful to the boys. When we say wrong, why aren't you guys going and taking up Michelle's bungle? Michelle come out and say he was wrong too. But I mean gonna have strength for the wrong, stop. Right, boss? Wrong stop. I am not afraid of none of you. None of you. Not even Madge, she. Not even that. I'm not afraid of none of you. Put it in the pipe and smoke it. The more no talk, me I go show and say I am not afraid of none of you. Disabled and all, I am not afraid of none of you. Who do you think you are? Who does any of you on here think you are? None of you are not my mother nor my father. None of you are not my family. Go and sit down. Stop inserting yourselves in Batman arguments. Stop inserting yourselves in Batman business. I want to love Batty. I saw no love Batty. Want to love Batty to the. Want to love Batty and love body. Make up your minds. Make up your minds. Which side of the fence are you on? Are you on the Batty side or are you on the Batty side or are you on the Peen side? Which side are you on? Some are too enough. Some of you are too plenty. Some of you are too inquisitive and nosy. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. Why wasn't you guys saying, oh, he was wrong for telling him to go suck to S my mum? Guys, do you know what I realized, right? Do you know what I realized? You see when I come on social media, right? Does any of you see me ever inserting anyone's family into anything? Minus one person who really did annoy me. And yes, I throw their family into it because they threw my family into it too. So I did the exact same thing. It's tit for a tat, butter for a fat. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Understand? And the face on the go and lick off and bring cause clear on want in peen and in peen is only goes one way and it is in bum batty buttocks. Right? At the same peen go on a two plenty.